checking out Changsha. Goddamn, it's cool. Changsha got style. China got it, baby. Cha-cha Changsha. Checking out Changsha. Checking it all out. Checking, just checking. Checking out Changsha. Checking out Changsha, checking it all out. Checking, just checking. Checking out Changsha.
We're in Changsha. We're not too far from the riverfront, and we have some nice chill little streets with tons of red signs, red tents. We're gonna go see what that's all about. And we also have all these kind of interesting architecture down here too. So we'll give you another slice of Changsha, let you see what this street looks like and all the stuff that's on it. Changsha, China, up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And then we're gonna be kind of, we're gonna be in the downtown part, but we're gonna be kind of adjacent to the river. And the riverfront is kind of a main thing in the city that goes through it. And anyways, we're gonna get right into it and show it as if you're there yourself. So here's a little slice of Changsha for you. Let's do it. Okay, let's take a look at this street. I think this is a hotel. I keep seeing people with suitcases, and when they come in, they watch me for a while. Feels like I'm. Anyways, that looks really tasty right there. Changsha is not too far away, so I feel like there's maybe a little bit of a Changsha influence. Sorry, we are in Changsha, Chongqing. So Chongqing is not too far away in the scope of all of China. Actually, that meat looks kind of good. I feel like that is kind of like spicy and looks like something I'd see in Chongqing. That's why I'm thinking about it. It's kind of a cool looking shot with a horse like that. Dessert, that's why it has a nice, some cream in there too. Double sud. Double sud. I think I might have walked down the street last night because I see all these pink chairs as well. So we have kind of a pink chair theme and a red theme. And one of the things I saw a lot of places was crab and lobster. Some fresh food over there. I think we're going to see a side street, so I'm kind of taking a look to see if I see one of those. It's like just random pictures, but I think that's what they're serving here. Specialties. But there's another street that had almost all these like lobster or yeah, basically lobster. Like baby lobsters. And it had a similar, oh, there's one right there. So yeah, those right there. Here's this picture of it. I think they got a lot more than just that too.
Bye bye.
See a little chick there. Got another fish restaurant right here. All kinds of stuff. So yeah, there's a little chick just hanging out in the street there. Anyways. So these are some of the stuff that they had everywhere yesterday. I guess they come out of the river. Must. Kind of want to try those, but I think they're more like drinking. Hello, thank you. But I think they're more drinking, so I think they. There's another one right there too. And the smell that they had. There's a picture of them. I don't want to go near it because they'll come up and think I want something. Yeah, they're a little bit like spicy. There's some more right there too. Like that, that. So this might have been the street I was on last night. Coffee and beer. Okay, a lot of people walking right here. Don't know why. Oh, there we go. Okay, so this is called Chinchin's Gold Line Street. Here's a story, 1591. Story about 1591, Islam introduced to Changsha, a mosque was built in this street, which moved to Shanqing Street later. 1904, the governor made industrial school here, paper industry, so turned into like business and factories, but originally it was one of the first mosques. Okay, so that's the start of this particular street right there. So I think we were just on kind of a little piece of it. Yeah, more tourist stuff over here too. There's a good smell. The food has a good smell here. I think like that lobster stuff when I walked by it last night, it had like nice flavoring to it. But you could smell that made you want to buy it. There's a lot of black sticky tofu here. This street is turning out to be very popular. I see this in China a lot. Like they put the dry ice to make it more mysterious, and they'll put like some kind of, in that case, a giant dragon. Oh, it's coconut. Another one of these. Dry ice exhibition hall. Cool little alley. Okay. It's kind of cool because we're not too far from the water. It's also written in Korean too. Hunan. I'm being watched by a guy. I'm going to put the camera on him. He's kind of watching me, so. But then he just turned, so maybe he was waiting for me to read the sign, I guess. Okay. Lots of slices of Changsha here today. I remember walking by this guy last night. They're doing like metal stuff. I did walk by this last night. More of these little alleys. Cartoonist. Keep on going. Pretty cool. Got a lot of people coming up here. We're gonna keep on going down. I might follow that street later though. I think this street ends at that little pavilion up straight ahead. So you're getting another slice of Changsha here. Let's see, that one is cartoonist. Hello. Pretty cool. Only 20 yuan. So I'm gonna keep on going. Oh, it's okay. People are quite friendly though. If I wanted to, I could really have a lot of fun interacting with people here, even without English, without them speaking English and me without me speaking Chinese. Okay, let's see. We're at 10:32. More little alleys. So we're gonna come to an end. Another slice of Changsha for you.
China got it, baby. Cha cha Changsha.